Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my husband's floral print tie. I love this tie on my husband. I think that it is such a dapper accessory to add to his wardrobe. I just fell in love with the design. What makes this tie special to me is that I think it is a blend of sophistication with a casual, laid-back style to it. When you see this tie, you just have to admit that it is just a very unique, cool tie. What also caught my attention was that the narrow design, it just adds like a modern twist to the tie. I think that it is a classic tie that could be used for a very long time. I think that it allows you to express your style in a very subtle yet distinctive way. My husband loves this tie. So if you are looking for a tie that will infuse a little bit of personality into your wardrobe, I think this is a great option. And that's my point of view.